Welcome to Welfare. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily create an API key on your exchange and connect it to Welfare. So for this example, we're going to start with BingX. The process is very straightforward on every exchange. It's pretty much the same and you will figure it out very easily. So you're going to go to your account and find API management or API, just something with API. On there, you can select the sub account if you have one where you want to create the API, and you're going to click Create API. There you can just put in a name, for example, your name or just Wealth AI API. And on some exchanges, you need to add a number at the end. Just choose your favorite number. Then permissions, on default, it's read only. This means we can just read your account, read your balance. To properly execute Wealth AI, you need to be selecting perpetual futures trading. You can select that if you want to trade with Wealth AI, but the choice is of course yours. Then you can select it and you're going to go to Wealth AI. You're going to go to your dashboard, scroll down and click Add API keys, and here you will find for maximum security, you're going to find the IP address that we are using to read your API key. You're going to copy that and just paste it into the API address form and then click confirm. Then based on your exchange, you need to do the captcha very easily. And then you're going to get 10 messages on your authenticator, email, and phone, and you're just going to fill them. After receiving and entering all your codes, you just click confirm. And just like that, you have created your API key. Now you have an API key and an API secret key. These you do not share with anyone. You just paste them in Wealth AI. So in Wealth AI, you select your exchange. In this example, we are using BingX, so we're going to select exactly that. You're just going to create a name. And then in API public key, you're going to copy the normal API key from your exchange and paste it in there. And then in the secret key, you're going to select the secret key from your exchange. Just click copy and then paste it in there. After you've done that, you click save API key. And then you're going to receive the successful notification and see the value of your API key. This should match the amount you have on your futures account on your exchange. And then you can start adding strategies or using the AI assistant.